we have seen, the children told, we are not afraid. We are ready to die for you, Papa, if we are all together. Only one condition. If we die, we will die together. If we live, we will live together. Can you say like that? Some may say, oh, I have a fear, Papa, first you may go. I will be coming last. Isn't it? No. Here he says, if we are together, we have no fear. Okay. So, this struck the mind of the father. He had no words to respond. So, but he took a determination. Silent respond, sir, I will show you how I reach 110 from 0. Clear now? Remember the words, Malaviya, Devika. Remember the words, Malaviya. From 0, I made you 0 now. After 730 days, it should be 110. What is 730 days? 2 years. 365 plus 365. 730. Mathematics. English is mathematics. Arithmetic. I am not asking you geometry. What is there? One algebra is there. Algebra. I am very weak. A square minus A plus B is equal to B plus B. I am very weak in that matter. So I am talking about only poor man, poor mathematician. Arithmetic. Okay. So here, to protect the weakened starboard side, remember, right side of the ship on the front side. Starboard side, I decided to heave to raise or repair. With the undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves, using an improvised sea anchor of heavy nylon rope and two 22-liter, two bags, 22-liter plastic barrel, not 222, 22-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. Paraffin is a petroleum material. It's an oily petroleum material. So he began to, in short, he started to repair the starboard. That evening, Mary and I, who is Mary's wife, sat together holding hands. Agna, don't go. Be there. After the tea, I will send you. Agna, take the tea and go. When the guest comes, we say, isn't it? Chai would isn't it? Let us have a cup of tea. It is getting ready. Kozhikode halwa is also there. Okay. So I think Devika can bring Kozhikode halwa from there. It is easy for you to get. Okay. Tiruvangadi, it is very easy. Okay. So that evening, Mary and I sat together holding hands because they are relaxed. As the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks, we both felt the end was very near. So they were holding hands to face the death. They watched water was coming inside and they were waiting for their death. Because wave walker has already broken, the starboard side is broken, water is again entering. But wave walker rode out the storm, survived the storm, overcome the storm. By the morning of January 6th, They managed to overcome the trouble by January 6th. With the wind easing, I tried to get a reading on the sextant. Sextant is a navigational instrument, so he could read it. Back in the chart room, I worked on wind speeds, change of course, drift, and current in an effort to calculate our positions. So these are navigational work. As the work of the captain, he worked with the speed of the current, direction of the current. He worked with the speed of the wind and the direction of the wind, and all these things he calculated. Where do they stand? Where were they? With all these things, this much angle, this much position, they can calculate it on which part of the sea they are there. Suppose if you are here, if I am standing here, so I can tell that 2.5 kilometers from the private bus stand of Mala, 1 kilometer, half a kilometer from Plavinmuri Junction. In this way, when we put the arrows, the location will be pointed out. So here in this way, he could point out where they were. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65 kilometers wide land. So we were away from 150,000 kilometers and we are far away, 65 kilometers far away from a land. Sorry, we were far away from 65 kilometer wide island, a small island. That is, what is the word given? Pinprick. Pinprick. That is a pinprick. Clear now? While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. She came painfully. The left side of her head was now very swollen like matanya, like a pumpkin, isn't it? And her blackened eyes narrowed the slits. There was a small cut. When swelling is more, what happened? The slits, the cut is joined. The gap of the slits is very less. That means she had a very swollen, severe head. She gave me a card she had made. She came with very large bump on her head, a cut on hand also. She came. She was coming slowly, beautifully she was coming. And she gave me a gift. Daddy, this is for you. This is for you. Underline, she gave me a card she had made. On the front, she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words. They made some drawing. I told in the first class, see the caricature of, don't turn the pages. See the caricature of grandmother. Why are you forgetting all these things? Khushwant Singh had made a caricature of grandmother. From the sentences we can draw the caricature. A line. Yesterday, or today in the newspaper I have seen one girl was dancing and with her toes she made the picture of one, who is that? Fahad or some film star? Fahad or somebody? I don't know these people. Fahad or Sa. What is the name? John Philip, what is the name of that film character, film star? Fahad, something like that.
Fahad Fas.
Fahad Fasal. Oh, someday I am not interested in these films. I don't watch films for last, I think, around more than 10 years. I haven't watched a single film. I don't see anything, that kind of things. So, but when I travel, it is my habit to read the both sides. I read all the sides while I travel. So here and there I see, so today when I opened, one girl is in a dance position. So I am very happy, interested in to see, appreciate the dances. So when I read, she was while driving, dancing, she was painting. So she drew the face of Fahad with the crayon paints or something like that. So what I mean is that here, during the time of this storm and wind, she was drawing the caricature picture of pencil sketch. Agra, pencil sketch. I am going to draw your picture because there are people who are very, very chief, important VIPs. So if I draw some pictures and I keep it there on some block, isn't it? So it will be filled. Don't repeat this. More than enough I have given you now. Understood? Okay, I think you can understand my language, isn't it? Yes, that is enough, that is enough. Okay, please understand my language. Other people do not understand my language. At least you can understand my language, isn't it? Okay. So, and she has written something on the cover page. What is that? Here are some funny people. Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? The duty of the funny people is to make you laugh. Did they make you laugh? I laughed a lot as well. Whether they did make us laugh or not, I laughed a lot. Inside was a message. Oh, how I love you so much, both of you. I do not know how do I love you both. So this card is to say a thank you and let us hope for the best. Let us hope for the best. Sir, I do not know whether I will get gold medal or not. You see, I am not sure, but I am going for gold medal in Olympics. It is over now. But till now, what you have done is appreciable. You see, just to relate this, Neeraj Chopra is going for the first round. It's very good. I want to take, he is a man who made the made the people to sing national anthem in front of all the world, isn't it? Only when people get gold medal, then only national song will be sung. So he made the Olympians, Olympic world to sing national anthem and give a great salute, isn't it? So next week it is August 15th, and I see this time August 15th assembly is from +2. That means senior secondary section. So all the students are not requested, should participate in the assembly, and there will be a rush. So you will not be able to enter on the board. You have to enter on time. All should be there. Because when we are presenting, if we are not there, who will be there? I could see very often all the Mondays I am sitting here for the assembly, and very seldom I see some faces from senior secondary. So one day chairman also asked me, hey, the senior students are not there. At least our students are also presenting certain times, isn't it? So at least to witness some representations. But on next week, all should be there. This is my, not official, not formal, but an informal way of formal announcement. Informal way of formal announcement. Okay. So, thank you. Neeraj Chopra. So, I am taking you to Olympics. Now, gallery is empty. We can go and sit there, isn't it? No restrictions. Today onwards, no restrictions. We can go and sit there and see the Olympics there. Olympic ground. Stadium. So, before going to the first round, the coach says, no problem, don't worry. I know how much you can throw. I have the confidence that you can throw up to 87. That is enough. Be confident. Throw it. Throw it. Did you see his figure? Calm and cool. He threw. The full input came as output. Here they say, this card is to you both. Let us hope for the best. Papa, don't worry. If we die, we will die together. Don't worry. Whether we reach or not the island, no problem. Suzuki Samurai, no problem. Suzuki Samurai is the name of a motorbike. Its advertisement is, if you write Suzuki Samurai, no problem. No problem. So, daddy, don't mind. You are the best daddy. Take it. Go ahead. Reverse gear is going on. Usually parents tell the children, go ahead. Here the children are saying to parents, go ahead. No problem. You see the language, you see how the writers are using the language. Gaya, tell mommy, go ahead, mommy, go ahead. We should say. Okay. I checked and rechecked my calculations. We had lost our main compass, not your protractor compass, the other compass. Compass. And I was using a spare. Everywhere it is spare is there, which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. Accuracy was not there. Somewhat north it will show, somewhat south it will show. Accuracy is not there. Little bit it is spare. I made an allowance for this because if you are using a wrong calculator, always you know when the mistake is there, it would be that one, isn't it? It would be that one. So he is adjusting with the wrong one. I made an allowance for this mistake, and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. At 2 p.m., I went on deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degrees. Larry, catch 185 degrees, 80 degrees. If we were lucky, I told him with a conviction. You see, with a conviction, I have determined. You see the words, I have determined. I told him with a conviction, but I did not feel, surety is not there, but conviction, he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. If you take 185 degree and go ahead, by 5 p.m. you will witness an island. Underline. I told him 185 degree, that 2 lines you underline. You will see the island at 5 p.m. Then with a heavy heart, I went below, climbed on my bunk, and amazingly dozed off. He went and asleep. When I woke, it was 6 p.m. Underline 6 p.m. Many 6 p.m.s are coming. Here also 6 p.m. And growing dark. I knew we must have missed the island. Because if the calculations are correct, we should have reached by 5 p.m. Now it is 1 hour journey left. We could not reach. And growing dark, I knew we must have missed the island. And with the sail we had left, we couldn't hope to beat back into the westerly winds. And he did not have the courage and conviction to face the westerly winds with the sails. At that moment, a tousled head, many are here, nobody is here now. The tousled heads are switched off their videos. Untousled heads are sitting here. The tousled heads have switched on their video. Analysts, let us see who are the tousled heads. A tousled head, uncombed hair. That is the meaning. People are combing Manglish, combing the hair, isn't it? Instead of the comb, you are using your 4 fingers as the comb, isn't it? Especially our girls, Mary, isn't it? Where is my comb? Oh, I have no time to take the comb. Oh, sorry, isn't it? And keeping a clip here. No rubber one, clip. And many cats' tails will be on all the sides. Cat's tails. That is what is called a tousled head. Uncombed hair. One uncombed hair came in front of me. These are the things I introduce the terms so that let my children find a comb at home and keep it for them. Don't give your comb to others because there may be the migration of jungly janwars, isn't it? Jungly janwars means, okay. Those who do not know Hindi, it is better not to understand. Okay, so don't share your combs with anybody else. So at that moment, those people who understand, they smile it. Then I can understand how many people understood the meaning. Okay. So, Alina, you didn't understand, isn't it? Okay. So, at that moment, a tousled head appeared by my bunk. Can I have a hug? Mister, can I have a hug? Jonathan asked. Sue was right behind him. Children, both of them came and asked, why am I getting a hug now? It is not my birthday. It is not your birthday. Christmas is over. New Year is over. What is the matter? Because you are the best daddy in the world. And you are the best captain. The great appreciation, the feather, 2 feathers children gave to their parents. Underline. You are the best daddy and you are the best captain because you have achieved. You have achieved. That's the meaning. Not today, Joanne, I am afraid. Tomorrow, no problem. Don't give me a hug before the achievement. Why? You must be the best captain. You must be the best father. So in a matter-of-fact voice, you found the island. Underline. Because you achieved the target. You found that island. What? I shouted. It is out there, Father. Look at it. We can see the island in front of us. As big as a battleship, as big as INS Vikrant. What is the importance of INS Vikrant? Anyone? What is the importance of INS Vikrant? It is the warship made by India. It is made by India and it is now on sale. I read the newspaper, update the knowledge. You people are silent. I am a poor man. I should not teach you these kind of things. You should have told me. And you should have told me. Okay. So the island was as big as a warship. I rushed on deck and looked with relief, gazed with relief at that stark outline, unclear, full outline of Isle Amsterdam. It was only a bleak piece, unclear piece, of volcanic rock with little vegetation. In the morning I told you, a little, with a little vegetation, with no plants. No plants. Understood the difference? With a little vegetation, no vegetation was there. Because volcanic eruption would be there. Lava would be there, not Lara. Who is Lara? The famous West Indies? Who can say? Who is Lara? Who is Lara? Famous West Indies cricket player, batsman, Lara. Brian Lara. Go back to some, you are looking ahead. All the scientists looked back, then only they looked forward. You people are always looking ahead without looking back. How can you become a scientist? It is my question. How can you become a science student without looking back? Science is modern, science is built upon the ancient science. If my people in the forest did not make a wheel with a wooden piece, how could you make a tire wheel? First, they had made the wheel with the wood. That is why I always say, go back 50 years back. Watch the world. Then you stand at the present and look ahead. You will be able to see marvelous things. Okay, so a volcanic rock with a little vegetation, the most beautiful in the world. Underline. A question. It was a volcanic land without any vegetation. What is the meaning behind the most beautiful island in the world? Is it a contradiction? Can you tell me the meaning? Anyone? Anyone? Those who get the meaning, switch on. Anyway, I will take 5 minutes extra. By 5:25, I will finish the lesson. What is the meaning behind a most beautiful island in the world? Can anyone say? Alice always drinks a chilled Miranda. Chilled Miranda. If it is not chilled, she never doesn't take. Alice take always from freezer. One day she was so tired. She was coming from outside, and at that day she had, my Miranda is there. So what happened? Her one brother, you have a brother, isn't it? She has a brother. What is his name? Anjo. Anjo. She has a brother. What did he do? He took the bottle and he smuggled it. And she was so tired. Alice, slim beauty. Slim. How many kilos? 25 kilos. 25 kilos. Barely 25 kilos. So, he told, one bottle is here, not chilled. So she says, whether it is chilled or not, give me Miranda. She was satisfied because she was so much tired. At that time, whatever she gets, it is the best. Clear now? Here, you see, this is the way you have to understand the literature. Here, for last these many days from Southampton, no? From where they have started? What is the place? Plymouth. From Plymouth, England. From Plymouth, England to Isle Amsterdam. Kilometers they were traveling in the stormy climate, struggling for surviving life. At that time, when they get a place to land, maybe without vegetation, maybe without water, no problem. That will be the best place in their life at that moment. When they reach Australia, then this Isle Armstrong may not be beautiful. But at that moment, in such a situation, Isle Amsterdam, the island with volcanoes, the best place in the world. That is a place of refuge. That is a place that gives them refuge, protection, a survival. Clear now? That is why they told, oh, how we reached. A how is there. Clear now? In this way, my dear children, read my book. Read my book and understand. Don't read it as your physics and chemistry. Please, please, please. Don't read it as your mathematics book problems. Read it as my own book. Try to understand. Okay. We anchored offshore, not at the shore, offshore, outside in the water for the night. And the next morning, all 28 inhabitants, 28 people who are living there, cheered as they helped us ashore. 28 people came and see a ship has come. They helped them to reach the island with the land under my feet. Till now, water was under my feet. Now, I am on the land. Underline the word, with the land under my feet again. You can use such kind of phrases. See, these underlined phrases, some more other place. You can use it. You can use it in your speeches, in your essays, in your answers. You can use this in your dialogues, in your conversations. You can use it. My thoughts were full of Larry and Herbie. I was appreciating Larry and Herbie, our rented crewmen. Under the dearest stress, how optimistic and cheerful they were. Under the dearest stress, under the extreme bad consequences, under the extreme challenging atmosphere, under the extreme challenging situations, difficult situations, how happy and optimistic, positive thinking they were. I appreciated them. They never said they no. Underline the word. They never said no. Now assignments and activities are coming. You have to say in this direst distress, don't say. In our dictionary, no is not there. My dear children, the word no is absent in our dictionary. We are Napoleon, born apart. Clear now? We are Napoleon, born apart. Napoleon said, the word impossible is not seen in the dictionary of my life. Napoleon Bonaparte said, the word impossible is not seen in the dictionary of my life. If you are Bonaparte, the word no is not found in your dictionary. You always see which word? You always see which word? Only one word you say, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Shall I beat you? Yes, sir. Shall I strike you? Yes, sir. No, no, sir is there. Understood? Okay. So, and of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. So, ladies' cry began there. Equality. Oh, why can't we become drivers? Why can't we become do the jobs that men are doing? Oh, we are not less. Ladies are going for wrestling. Why can't we? We can do all the jobs that men do. Here, Mary was the captain, holding the steering, the wheel at the direst distress situation. I have a great appreciation. So appreciation to Larry and Herbie, appreciation to Mary. Then, most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl. More than all, I remember my 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about the head injury, in which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove the recurring blood clot between skin and skull. So after the travel, 6 minor injuries were done, but my sweet 7-year-old girl who never complained, my sweet kiss to her, you see, and of a 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. 7-year-old girl not ready to complain. 6-year-old boy who is not afraid to die. My wife Mary, who was ready to control the wheel at the difficult situations. My Herbie and Larry, who were always struggling with the happiness, joyful face, day and night. This is the secret of success. This is the secret of success. Clear now? This is the content of the lesson. This is the gist of lesson. This is the kashayam of the lesson. When we sit together, when we work together with a single brain, we can achieve, we can conquer the Everest. Are you ready? Then let us go to island Amsterdam. Okay. If you are ready, let us together move with our wave walker to Amsterdam. Let us see that rock. Let us see that volcano and come back by next class. Okay, free tickets. You can come to the offshore and we will have our wave walker is waiting there. Okay, have a cup of tea and come back. And in the next class, we will see the next lesson. Okay, thank you. Shall I end?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.